I got it. Let's go. Told you it was tight. I'm a little too large for these.
Uncle, where you gonna sit?
I'm not gonna sit because it's too tight. I cannot sit in it.
Uncle Paul's too big.
What's the slip with him?
Can't.
Why? You want to sit with us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he wants to sit with us, and this one's too small to fit all of us.
Say hi, Brycey.
It's too small.
Go sit next to Bryce.
Right, you're right on the train.
Yeah, you sure? He
Alex.
wants you in, babe.
What you got? No, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay. Uncle
I take
Paul-
video. Alex,
Uncle Paul's
I
got
followed you
video
guys
of us.
around. Alex, I'm gonna follow you guys around.
Why?
So I'm gonna
we
take
can
video.
put it on YouTube and videotape you so you can see us on the video.
You like it, Brycey? Brycey, you excited? 咁可以攞㗎
Yeah.
Brycey, say hi.
都有樣子啊
You riding the train?
Are we tired to walk?
No, it's not.
But Uncle Paul's so strong. He's not tired at all.
Wow, you want me to sit with you, Alex?
Baby, you want to sit? I would actually.
I follow you guys around. I record it.
You're so cool. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see out there.
How come it's tied to the little one?
So that way she can take all of us.
See, because it's the little one that takes all of us.
Is the little one big to take all of us?
Yeah. Well, Red one is big, but Uncle Paul said that it's too small. You want Uncle Paul to come in? So he's all sad. He wants to do.
He's alright. Alex, we're gonna put this on YouTube, internet, and then Aiden and they can see it too.
Aiden and Kayla,
Yeah, they don't ride train, but you do.
They see Alex and Bryce here at the pin riding a train.
Can you tell them that?
Yeah, we're gonna show them.
Show them. See, Uncle
And you know
Paul's
how
a
Brendan loves trains? Brendan don't get to ride train.
boy.